Okay, gentle breathing, just like before. I'm going to follow your breath. You're doing good. Breathing in. Good, and out. Gentle. Let your head drop in here.
Welcome to Chiro World. We upload a variety of chiropractic adjustment videos to educate our viewers on the health benefits of chiropractic care.
That was really good.
So sit back,
No.
relax,
It
and
honestly didn't
enjoy
hurt.
the video.
Testing first. All right, so what I'm going to do here is push into your spine. Let this go loose, loose. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 7, 6, 5. 6, 5, 4. Feels like in the middle in this area. 3 and 4, 5. Good. All right, now let your head drop in here. Let this go. Loose, he goes loose, loose, loose. There you go. That's perfect right there. Same thing, gentle. Breathe in through your nose. Good, and out. Let this drop.
It really doesn't hurt, and I'm surprised.
Until next time,
Wow.
take care and stay healthy.